Are you tired of suffering from neck or back pain? Then it's time you came into the office of Premier Chiropractic. Serving Durham families and the surrounding area, we're equipped and ready to help you with everything from neck and back pain to auto accidents, sports injuries, lower back pain, and a whole lot more. We practice a drug-free hands-on approach to healthcare that includes patient examination, diagnosis, and treatment. Let us know what we can do for you. Premier Chiropractic. Call us or visit our website now.